morning friends. Today we are going to learn about lines and angle. So before starting with lines, we are going to study what is mean by dot. Dot just present just a point which do not have any length or breadth. So we can say that dot is a dimensionless quantity which do not have any length or do not have any breadth. So we can say that it doesn't have any dimension. Now second we come to line. Line we can form with two dots, like here I have two dots. So by joining these two dots we can form a line. Now line can be of any types: line segment, line and then ray. In line segment, what the two points are distinguished, means what they are not going to infinite from both the side. Then come line, means what from both the end it is going to infinite length. And then comes ray, which has one point is fixed and another is going to infinite. So they all have different symbols. Line segment have symbol as A, B. Then line has symbol AB and arrow above it. And then come ray, have symbol AB having arrow of one sided on it. So we can form three different lines of through 2 points by joining 2 points. Then comes collinear points. What is mean by collinear points? There are many points in plane. Okay, so if I take 3 points and join them, and if they all the 3 points line on the same line, then we can say that these 3 points are collinear to each other. Means what? They are lying on the same line. Suppose these are my 3 different points. So by connecting these 3 points, I am not getting a single line. So these 3 points are not the collinear points. They are called as non-collinear points. And these 3 points are lying on the same line, so we can say that these 3 points are collinear points. So now we are going to study about angles. How we are going to form the angles. To form angles, we need at least 2 lines which intersect at a point. Means these 2 are lines where here they are intersecting. So when they are intersecting, they form an angle. Okay, so by intersecting 2 lines we get an angle between them. So angle can be measured in degree. What? Degree. Okay, so and it can be from 0 to 360 angle. Okay, so now types of angle. So first come acute angle. So when the degree of angle from between 0 to 90 degree, so that we can say that angle is an acute angle. Suppose here my angle is 35 degree. So this angle can be said as an acute angle because the angle is less than 90 degree. Now right angle. What is mean by right angle? When the degree of angle is exactly 90 degree, then that angle is called as a right angle triangle. So here, and this right angle can be denoted by a square here. So this angle is called as a right angle triangle because it has a 90 degree angle. Then comes obtuse angle. In obtuse angle, the degree is between 90 degree to 180. Means what? They have the degree between between 90 to 180 degree. So this angle is called as an obtuse angle. Now comes straight line. When we draw a straight line, it forms an angle of 180 degree. So, and I can say that a straight line has a 180 of a degree. Then comes a reflex angle. What is mean by reflex angle? Is greater than 80 as well as is less than 360 degree. So, this angle is called as a reflex angle.